Tired of excess belly fat? Would you like to look 1, 2, and up to 3 sizes thinner in just seconds? Would you like to go braless and feel comfortable? Presenting Lipo Dress, the sensational shaping dress that will make you look up to 3 sizes smaller instantly. Lipo Dress flattens the tummy, hides belly bulge, and will give you a thin, sexy figure in a matter of seconds. Its anatomical design lifts your buttocks, shapes your breasts, and you won't have to wear those uncomfortable straps. Lipo Dress is one single piece made of smart fabric, the latest invention in the textile industry. Without zippers, buttons, or clasps, it adapts to your body like a second skin.
It's the most comfortable thing I've ever worn. It's very practical. I even wear it to bed.
Lipo Dress is totally invisible and undetectable, even with form-fitting clothes. The first shaper that does it all. Yes, your entire body from your butt to your knees. Lipo Dress, the most versatile shaping dress you could ever imagine, and at a special price. Today, with your order of a black Lipo Dress, you'll receive a brown Lipo Dress completely free for a limited time only.
Girdles always show through the clothes. Look, I'm wearing my Lipo Dress. It makes me look thinner, and it doesn't show. It's like I'm not wearing anything under my clothes.
Lipo Dress, 3 garments in one. Shaping dress, body shaper, and top. You wear it with your jeans, low-waist pants, skirts, shorts, with your favorite dress, even as your dress for any occasion you want. Look thinner, boost your bust, and shape your buttocks without having it show. And in just seconds with the shaping dress that adapts to your body like a second skin. Lipo Dress costs less than one conventional girdle. And with today's special, when you order one black Lipo Dress, you'll get another Lipo Dress in brown completely free. You'll get 2 for the price of 1. It's time to display a thin, stylish, and slim figure in a matter of seconds with Lipo Dress, the shaping dress, 3 sizes smaller instantly and at a special price. What are you waiting for? Call now.